All right, let's dive into the current situation with Bitcoin, shall we? Today, we're going to take a look at the price, and then, based on my own analysis, I'll share with you what I believe is likely to unfold over the next few hours. You see, it's Sunday right now, and the Asian market is set to kick off in about 10 or so hours. And, the Asian market usually presents some really fantastic trading opportunities. So what we're observing here is Bitcoin's price action on the daily chart. We can clearly see that we made a significant high, touching the $110,000 mark way back on January 20th. And ever since that point, it's fair to say we've been caught in a rather consistent downward dynamic. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is that? Well, let me explain. We come up here, we push, and you can see on the middle of the Crypto-Quebec indicator, we attempt to rise again, but crucially, we are simply unable to break through that upper resistance level. This indicator here is essentially showing us the current trading range, okay? That's the key level we're trying to reach or break. And yet, we're not managing to breach that upper boundary, which leads to us dropping lower. Then, when we try again, attempting to make a higher high to try and regain some ground, we aren't even capable of doing that. You can observe right here. This is the midline of the indicator's channel. And naturally, when we approach this area, it becomes, frankly, an excellent zone for initiating short positions. And then we descend, we come back, and you see right here, this is what we call a far value gap. It's highlighted on the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Trading within this particular zone often signifies a potentially dangerous area for a continued downward trend. And as you can see, that's precisely what has transpired. We've seen a strong downward vector, and we're coming back yet again.
And the point where we actually broke out, exactly where the Crypto-Quebec indicator level 10 is marked, that's where we saw that initial surge. But I suspect the move isn't entirely finished. And why do I think that? Well, before I decide to short or long any altcoin or any particular token, even a well-regarded one, I always assess what's happening with Bitcoin first. I need to understand the broader market context. My personal belief is that Bitcoin is indeed going to retest this specific zone we've been discussing. Therefore, I'm not going to simply sit back and wait passively. I'm an active trader, you see. I actively engage in trading. And looking at the 4-hour chart, I anticipate we'll see a move like this unfolding over the next few hours, leading up to the Asian market opening. So why not consider taking a long position on BNX right now? A move where I'm already up about 34% with 5x leverage. You understand, the reality of being a trader ultimately is that we trade actively and we remain engaged in the trading process. Now, regarding Bitcoin, which is currently exhibiting a green vector, I trade all vectors. And at this moment, I can't really trade Bitcoin actively because there isn't enough volatility. See how small the potential profit is here? We're talking about maybe a 2% gain. Compare that to BNX, which is showing a 33% move. It really highlights the power of the Crypto-Quebec technique. And look, it's still climbing. If I were to enter right now, let's see how much I could potentially gain. I will, of course, share the results in my group. You see a potential 22% gain with 5x leverage. That means I'm looking at a potential profit of around 600% on a Sunday. What are your thoughts on that? So if you're someone who truly enjoys day trading, I genuinely want to extend a personal invitation for you to join me. If you're interested, you can join my team. If you opt for the platform provided by Bitmart, you can then join my Telegram group right here. We currently have 566 traders actively participating, and the results you're seeing are from the people who are trading alongside me, as well as my own results. So if you're interested in signing up for the platform, go ahead, get set up, send me a message on Telegram, and I'll get you integrated into the team. Now, let's get back to Bitcoin. So BNX is performing quite well. Now, what's the forecast for Bitcoin itself? As I mentioned, with the upcoming Asian market session, my prediction is that we will see a move towards this specific area. And once the price reaches that point, a decision will need to be made.